Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group.
Hello, young mathematicians. My name is Millie. Welcome to Umizoomi Maths. Early Year Foundation Stage 1. Today, we have an exciting exercise of learning maths.
Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.